In modern garages and remote deployments, a reliable 12-volt, 24-volt smart battery charger isn't just a convenience, it's a proven tool for extending battery life, recovering sulfated cells, and ensuring you're ready to hit the road. The category blends charging, maintenance, desulfation, and protection features in compact, automatic units that can serve both.
List number 1. Yonhan Battery Charger 10 amp 12 volt. The Yonhan 10 amp unit is a compact all-in-one solution that operates across 12 volt and 24 volt lead-acid chemistries, including AGM, gel, SLA, and flooded, and adds a desulfation capability with temperature-compensated charging. It features winter and summer modes, reverse polarity and overcharge protections, and a backlit LCD that reports voltage, current, power, temperature, and mode. Its design emphasizes versatility for cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats, and lawn equipment, and it explicitly markets a repair mode to recover aging or idle batteries. The product ships with relatively long input-output leads, 90 centimeters input, 65 centimeters output, which helps reach distant batteries without removing components. Performance-wise, the 10A output supports reasonably quick top-offs for typical 12-volt and 24-volt lead-acid packs, while the 7-stage logic includes a forced output mode for revival attempts on sulfated cells, not effective for completely dead or lithium chemistries. The integration of a thermal sensor and auto memory of last mode aids in maintaining a consistent user experience after outages. In practice, this model shines for seasonal maintenance where mains power is available, but battery drain is a concern, like boats in dry storage or winterized vehicles. However, its repair mode will not resurrect severely damaged cells or lithium batteries, and the unit's LCD readability under bright daylight can be limited without shading.
List number 2. NCO Genius 1 1A 6V/12V Smart Battery Charger. NCO Genius 1 is a compact 1A capable charger designed for both 6V and 12V lead-acid and LiFePO4 batteries, functioning as a charger, maintainer, trickle charger, and desulfator. It includes an integrated thermal sensor for temperature-aware charging and a force mode to resurrect deeply discharged batteries. It's pitched as a safe, unattended maintenance solution suitable for long-term connection to vehicles and powersport batteries, with a robust 3-year warranty and USA design heritage. Performance-wise, Genius 1 emphasizes reliability and maintenance efficiency rather than rapid charging. Its force mode is valuable for recovering weak batteries that sit below 1V, while the temperature compensation helps prevent overcharging in heat. The unit's small form factor, 3.5 by 2.3 by 1.3 inches, makes it ideal for tight spaces or bedside or garage wall outlets, and its clamp and eyelet connections provide flexible installation. On the downside, the 1A current means longer charge times for larger 12V automotive batteries, and the tiny housing can feel less rugged than bulkier models. Still, for a daily maintenance tool or a seasonal keeper when mains power is available, it delivers dependable performance.
List number 3. Battery Charger 10 amp 12V/24V Smart Trickle Charger for Car. CoreBox presents a rugged, weatherproof 10A charger maintainer with 12V/24V support and a 7-stage charging strategy. It emphasizes all climate capability from -20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, AD or repair mode for sulfated batteries, and a large LCD that reports voltage, current, temperature, and charging percentage. The unit markets fast charging relative to 6A classes and highlights safety features like spark-proof tech, polarity, short circuit, and overload protection. It is positioned as a top candidate for harsh environments, garages, outdoors, and marine use, while still functioning as a daily maintainer. In practice, its 10A output offers a solid balance between speed and safety, and the forced output repair capability can revive somewhat aged batteries that aren't completely dead. The 8.4 by 2.6 by 4.3 inch form factor is compact for a 10A unit, yet includes a fairly robust output lead length, aiding accessibility in cramped spaces. Users should note that while it touts lithium iron phosphate compatibility, the primary emphasis remains lead-acid chemistries. Care should be taken with lithium packs. The build quality and the enthusiastic feature set are compelling, though the product's newer arrival means long-term reliability data is still accumulating. List number 4. NextPeak NC201 10-amp battery charger. The NC201 is a budget-conscious 10A charger maintainer that targets broad lead-acid compatibility and includes desulfation and temperature compensation. It supports a variety of battery types, AGM, gel, SLA, flooded, across 12-volt and 24-volt, and promises quick charging relative to 6A devices, while warning against charging above 15A for safety. The device offers a large LCD and a dedicated motorcycle mode to deliver a safe trickle charge when not in active use. It emphasizes a 2-year replacement policy for quality issues and positions itself as a practical, all-around solution for homes, garages, and small shops. Performance-wise, NC201 balances affordability with functionality, delivering a reliable 10A charge and automatic maintenance. Its pulse repair function targets sulfation, potentially reviving mildly degraded batteries, though it cannot energize 0-volt batteries. The visual LCD and mode indicators, including summer and winter settings, aid intuitive operation, while the safety suite covers reverse polarity, overcurrent, and fire risks. If you're stocking a budget-friendly charger for seasonal use,
List number 5. Noco Genius 5 is a mid to high-tier charger with 5A output, offering 6V, 12V operation and a comprehensive feature set including desulfation, temperature compensation, dead battery recovery, and maintenance without overcharging. It is designed for a wide spectrum of batteries, including lead-acid, AGM, gel, and Life PO4, and vehicles from cars to boats, with an emphasis on reliability and user safety. The Genius 5 includes mounting options, a longer DC cable, and a more robust enclosure than smaller units, reflecting its premium positioning and broader use case envelope. Performance-wise, Genius 5 balances stronger capabilities with a more compact chassis than some full-size chargers, and the 5A output accelerates top-offs relative to the Genius 1 while delivering precise temperature-compensated charging and an effective desulfation pulse. It is well suited for households that keep a mix of automotive, marine, and powersport batteries, and for users who value a longer warranty and USA design philosophy. The primary trade-off is the 5A current, which, while versatile, may be slower to recharge large automotive batteries compared with higher amperage units. For a versatile, future-proofed maintainer, Genius 5 remains an excellent choice.